Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adenike again. How are you doing? Or if this is your first time of coming across my video, welcome to my channel. My name is Adenike. I'm a wife and a mom of 4. I live in Canada. On my channel, I have a lot going on my channel. You'll be seeing more of cooking, home making, cleaning, lifestyle, and family vlog. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I got from Temu, and also I'll be cooking dinner for my kids. So I'll be showing you what is in here. Okay, this is the first item. This is an artificial flower, and guys, I don't think I really love this. I don't like it, but I'm just going to manage it. Even the color is not bright. This is not what I saw on their website, but I'm still going to manage this. Let me just adjust my camera. Hold on, guys. Yeah, we are good now. So guys, this is the second item. I'll be using this for my meat pie. Another thing is, can you see this set? This is the bigger one, and even the bigger one is small for me, but I'm still going to manage it. I'll be using most of these two together for my meat pie, my fish pie, chicken pie, and everything. This is not bad. I can't remember the price, I'm sorry. This is number 3. What is this? I can't remember what this is. Shiloh, I'm coming, I'm busy. And most of these things, when you see it on their website, it's more bigger, but when you see it here, it's smaller. But this is not bad. This is a stapler. Oh, so guys, I got some, like 3 of them, sunglasses from them. This is one. Wow, it's not bad. Can you see, guys? Shiloh, you cannot try it. It's for mommy. So I can't remember, but I think I got this for $5. But this is not bad. Go and put everything. I'll put it somewhere there, okay? Yeah, mommy is busy. When you go back, mommy is busy. Mommy is busy. No, come this way. Come this way, please. Come. I don't want you to come and scatter here. Wait, see, come. What do you want to see here now? This is a toothpaste dispenser. But it's small. Yeah, but I'm going to try this out. this is a shaver. This is a shaver, guys. It's a shaver, like to shave your clothes, to remove all the stuff on your clothes. I'm trying to look for the Momo, please. I'm trying to look for the real name. No, Shiloh. Moyi, mommy is busy. Okay, so this is another thing I've been expecting. This is to make your donuts more easy. If I want to do my donuts, I'm just going to put the flour inside and just press it this way, so the donut is going to form. You understand? I'm going to try and use this. Yeah, this is for eggs. I bought this. Yeah, just to arrange my eggs. I bought 2 of these. Hold on, Momo. Yeah, and I also got this little stuff. So this is another sunglasses. I think this is more expensive than the first one. I think this is $7, but this is very good. Like, it's very good for the price. This is very good. Guys, I think this is nice and it's even strong. Mommy, wait. Yeah, Mommy, wait, please. You guys will not allow me. Can you see? This is nice.
Is these sunglasses for you?
Yeah. So this is another one.
Mommy, other process. Other stuff.
Also, this is also nice. Yeah. If I want to rate their stuff, I'm gonna say like just 40 over 100. I'm not really impressed with. The glasses are nice. The 3, they are nice. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me go and cook. Oh, Shiloh, put it over there. Easy, just put it there. 4. Yes.
Can I try this one?
Wait.
Oh, everything looks different.
Yeah, Momo. Moi. Anything you do, they want to do their own. When they're getting your bad, what about the buy one for shitting one? I want to appreciate you guys again for your support, for supporting my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. For your comment, for your like, for sharing my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Àwọn ìdára, ẹ̀ńdára, ẹ̀ńdára, ẹ̀ńdára. Can you go and put this back for me? Easy, go and put it back. So guys, for dinner I want to make chicken nuggets and fries for my kids. They request they want chicken nuggets, so I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be doing the homemade chicken nuggets for my kids. So I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to do that. So this is my washed chicken breast. It's already cut, and don't mind me, this is just cut into like anyhow. You can just cut it anyhow you want. So I'll be adding my chili pepper, not too much. I'm going to add salt, a little bit of curry, just a little bit. So, and I'm also going to add seasoning. Using 2 eggs. So guys, this is my 2 eggs. I'm going to add my 2 eggs into it. I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to mix properly. I'm going to cover this and leave it for 30 minutes. So I'm going to leave this aside for 30 minutes. So for my flour mix, I'll be using all-purpose flour. And if you have corn flour, you can also use it, but for me, I only have all-purpose flour at home, so and that is what I'll be using. Just 1 cup is enough, or 1.5. I'm going to add more chili pepper. Just little salt. A little bit of black pepper. I'm going to mix together.